Having spent this whole lesson so far taking a look at how Node is so good at asynchronous programming and some of the tricks and tips we need to use to take full advantage of that, I'm actually going to close out this lesson by also showing you how Node is good at synchronous programming. We'll return to this topic in greater detail in Lesson 11 when we look at command line programming, but I wanted to sort of quickly give you a taste of how it works now and show you that Node is great also for synchronous, not only just asynchronous programming. I'm going to take this fread, this file reader program we wrote here, and I'm going to write it synchronously in Node instead of asynchronously here. And the key will be that for most of these file system APIs, there is also a synchronous version, which is the async version with just sync added to the end of it. So let's write a sync read.js. I'm going to still require the like that. I still need the fs module, but now I'm just going to say var f equals fs.opensync test.text. I want to read it. Now I still have to create a buffer, and let's make it the same size as we did before. And now read so far. I can also do a read sync like that. I want to read from the handle into buffer. I want to read those 100,000 bytes. And now I should just be able to console.log b.toString. We always print in UTF-8. And let's just print what we got. And so really that's all there is to it. That's the synchronous version of it. And for a simple script, I want to just do some file processing or something. It's very simple. It's very easy. And I don't really care if I'm wasting system resources or something. This is going to be a great way to do it. So let's run node sync read. And I actually totally did not do that correctly. I forgot to put an equal sign. There. And there you'll see that we did that correctly like that. So I just wanted to very quickly demonstrate that there is synchronous programming in Node as well, and many of the APIs that you have for asynchronous programming also have synchronous versions, especially in the file system APIs. And you can do some pretty cool command line programming with it. I actually used to use sort of shell scripts in PHP to do all of my quick and dirty, read a file or split up a file tasks. I'm actually using Node for all of those too. So definitely something to take a closer look at. And with that, we've closed out our introduction to asynchronous programming in Node.js, and we can then move on to the next lesson where we start looking at writing little network servers.